Hello guys! Kumusta ang lahat? Are you looking for a fresh seafood grill? Especially ang nakakatakam na tuna pa nga? But first of all, let us meet Miss Nancy and Mr. Ronel, the owner of Email's Food Hub, located in Rodriguez, Montalban, Rizal. Open sila everyday from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. This is made to order guys, kaya fresh na fresh ang luto nila para sa'yo. At mas lalo itong pasasarapin ng their homemade harissa sauce. Available ito in 2 sizes. Harissa sauce ay hindi lang basta pang marination, pwede rin siyang ready to eat or dipping sauce. It is made with premium fresh ingredients and packed with so much flavor. Look at this guys kung gaano kalaki ito. Sakto ito pang ulam, pang pulutan, at kung ano mang merong special occasion. And safe to eat to our Muslim friends. At pag sinabi mo kasing panga, it means it's bony. But it's not. It's super meaty and juicy. Please visit their Facebook page para sa inyong order. Hindi lang tuna panga. Meron din silang golden pompano and tuna belly and many more. Check nyo lang yung price na nasa screen. You can order pick up or delivery. So what are you waiting for? Order now in Email